So yun, welcome ulit. So sabi dito, a baseball batter hits his home run ball with a velocity of 110 feet per second at an angle of 45 degrees above the horizontal. If the ball hits the top of a screen at 300 feet mark and bounces to the crowd, how high above the ground is the top of the screen? Sum natin. Sabi, sa problem, example, meron tayong, yan, ito yung baseball batter. Yan, ito yung ground. Sabi, may screen daw dito. Tinatanong kung ano yung height ng screen, which is yung Y natin. Then, ito yung 300 feet mark na sinasabi, which is yung X. Ito yung sinasabi na 300 feet. Then, sabi, na-hit niya daw yung baseball ball at an angle of 45 degrees. So, after a certain time, nandito na yung bola. Then, nag-bounce siya sa crowd. Ito is may angle na 45 degrees. Yan. Then, pinapahanap yung height ng screen. So, focus tayo dun sa X direction. So, para makuha natin yung Y, kailangan natin ng time. So, meron tayong X, given yung X. Gamitin natin yung formula na X. Delta X is equal to VI cosine theta multiply by the time. Then, plug in natin yung mga values. So, meron tayong 0 yung initial position natin in X direction. So, meron tayong 300 minus 0 is equal to the VI, which is 110 cosine of 45 degrees. So, lagyan natin. Cosine of 45 degrees multiply by the time. So, hinahanap natin yung time. So, divide natin by 110 cosine of 45. So, divide natin by 110 multiply by cosine of 45. So, makakancel to, then makukuha na natin yung time, which is 300 divided by 110 cosine of 45. We have 3.8569. 3.8569 seconds. So, ano naman tayo? Sa Y direction. So, after 3.8569 seconds, andito na yung bola natin. Sa taas na to. Dito. So, gagamitin natin yung time para makuha yung height ng screen. So, meron tayong Y. Delta Y is equal to VI cosine sine of theta multiplied by the time minus 1/2 g t squared. So, yung Y natin, delta Y, is 110 sine of 45. Then multiply by the 3.8569. 0.8569 minus 0.5 na lang lagay natin. Then the 32.2. 3.8569 squared. So, yung magiging sagot is 60.4980 feet. So, yung delta y natin, which is yung height ng screen, is equal to 60.4980. So, yung sagot is letter C.